Hello, in this video I want to show you how to find, tame and ride camels in Minecraft. And to do this, first thing you will need to find is a saddle, and you can find it in the dungeons, village. There's multiple different ways. You can try to Google it to find a way on how to get it. When you acquire a saddle, then go to any desert biome and look for the camel's herd. Here's the desert and we'll try to find it. If not, then I will just spawn one. Okay, so I think I will just spawn one. I'm in a creative mode, so that should be easy. Let's search for their X spawn. Here it is, and you can find them normally in the desert. It's just about luck, so yeah, just try going there and finding him yourself. So when it's spawned, that's how it looks like, and basically it's already tamed. So what we need to do is place a saddle on them, then right click on your camel and you'll be able to ride around with it. You can also click on on the E to open an inventory of your camel, and then you can remove the saddle. Sadly, there's no armors for them, so you won't be able to use them. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.